Checking out these Key Nutrients Electrolyte powder packets. This is the travel pack. This one has a bunch of different flavors in it. Let's open it up and take a look. So each of these straws is one serving, and they're each a different flavor. Looks like we've got two of the... Oh, there we go, peach mango. The flavors are on the end here. A couple of the pink lemonades. We've got a couple of the plain lemonade, I guess. Then we've got a couple of energy that are red. And then these blue ones are called blue raspberry. So we'll have to try something first. Let's try a blue raspberry. And we've got some bottles of water here. And usually these are easy enough to tear open and put into your bottle. Tear the top off there. We'll pour right in. Then we'll mix it up. Go ahead and put the cap on and shake that up. I like right away that there's not a lot of coloring in there. There's some color, but it's not turning it like a fluorescent blue or anything. Now the big question, let's see what it tastes like. It's not too sweet. It's definitely flavored. I can definitely taste the blue, and the raspberry aftertaste is pretty good. It's definitely refreshing. It's quenching. And that's this one. Now there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different flavors in this one, and you've got 2, so we're talking quite a bit of hydration. We want to thank Key Nutrients for sending us these to check out. So far, delicious. Hope this helps.